Mr. Todd, you have to help me. Mr. Todd, please. Mr. Todd! This room is gone, leaving my hand. No, I had it! This room was there and will never come again. When? Wait! You told me to wait! Now you'll never come again! There's a hole in the world with a great black pit, and it's filled with even what little shit the problem of the world inhabits it. But not for long. They all deserve to die. Tell you why, Mrs. Lovett, tell you why. Because in all of the whole human race, Mrs. Lovett, there are two kinds of men and only two. There's the one staying put in his proper place, and the one with his foot in the other one's face. Look at me, Mrs. Lovett, look at you. We all deserve to die. Even you, Mrs. Lovett, even I. Because the lives of the wicked should be made free, for the rest of us death will be a relief. We all deserve to die. They'll never see each other. Alright, you sir, how about a shout? Come on, listen, you sir, too sir, welcome to the grave. I will have vengeance. I will have salvation. You sir, no one's in the chair. Come on, Sweeney, waiting. I want you, please. You sir, anybody, just imagine the son of one man, no sin, nor 100, and sweet, I will have you. Get back as he floats in the winds are perhaps on this horrible throats, and my sleep